Why the decision to go solo?
I think kunokhula okwenzala yabo. So if it's cooler, sometimes kunezinto esibonayo ukuthi I know always zama ukuthi sisebenze as amasolo. So ekusebenzeni wethu amasolo is because asifuna ukuthi if ugale sengekho ubelo asakwazi ukuphusha eyedwa.
Top 40 Backstage Access.
I'm a A-lister. That's what we do, man. Every Saturday around this time, we hang out with the A-listers, you know, of the music industry. Namhlanje, yo ngidobe ufishi omkhulu, umuntu ongatholakala. Right, sabathe uzama ukumbamba uze kuthiwa I know usegoli kodwa uzobuya next week uthi uzama ukuhlanganisa next week kuthiwa cha bobo uvedane wadlula waye Cape Town, but luckily for us, you know, he did make time. Igama lakhe uBhelo, you know him from the duo uBhelo noGalo. He joins me this morning to talk all things music, of course. My brother, are you all right?
Yaphela bhuti omdala njani?
Ngikhona mfethu. Ubuthi bhuti omdala yona wenza ngathi uthi manje iGrootman leli, but anyway, I get it, man. Otherwise, skip on.
Angimnandi kakhulu mfethu, ngifuna uqamamanga, ngimnandi.
Hey, good to see you, man. Hey. Good to see you. You know, how long have you been in the music industry for now?
I think it's 10 years, man.
10 years, ne?
Yeah.
Can we expect a huge celebration? Yeah, 10 years.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
Yeah.
You know, it has to happen. You know, to sustain yourself with this music thing for 10 years, you need to be thankful and of course celebrate that milestone.
Yeah,
uGalo.
Ukhona uGalo yaphusha nice I think that.
Nice. Yeah. Do you guys still talk on the phone?
Yeah, for sure. We do talk.
Yeah.
A lot. Even no talk on ama gig mhlapa amakhulu like I said amadinga uBhelo noGalo.
Yeah.
Siyashala.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So you guys are still taking ama bookings for uBhelo noGalo?
But for my event amakhulu.
For ama event amakhulu, for ama festivals.
Yes.
So nje ngo December kanje bekhona ama festivals amakhulu and the client wants uBhelo noGalo, they can obviously make that phone call.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. How proud are you of Naledi Aphiwe? You know, I'm asking this question because mina ngokubona kwami nokunderstand kwami, I think you guys were the first ones to lead her into this music thing when she blew from that video, of course, and everyone started paying attention to who is this Naledi Aphiwe, a person wena noGalo uBhelo noGalo nanimfaka stage nihamba naye, and then she became who she is now. How proud are you of that brand Naledi Aphiwe?
Ngingasho ukuthi kuyangijabulisa kakhulu because uNaledi is like ingane yabo. So as ithina abantu besimthatha njengosisi wethu omncane, so njoba ngimbone achieve lezi zinto achieve nje manje kuyangijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi no ezinye izinto shuthi esasimtshela zona ukuthi azenze uyawazi ukuthi elandele namanje usayilandela. So ngiproud ngayo mfethu kakhulu because even uqala ukuperform wakhe stage school kwakuyiGagas FM festival. Yes.
I remember.
Yeah, kwaze wakhatha ngisho isikhathi sethu, so samfaka mfethu because sasibhilivela kuyena ukuthi I know uzoyenza lento le asimfaka kwabantu. So njoba manje eselena nje phezulu mfethu ngiproud kakhulu. Even umbona wami last week eGoli bengijabula kakhulu because somebody that much. So yeah.
Ni busy mfethu, abanye bangala abanye bangale, which is really great. Ukhona umuntu ongasho ukuthi wadlala irole ekuthenini italente lakho you know liphume laziwe, you know, out there, the same thing you did for uNaledi Aphiwe. Was there someone that did the same thing for you?
I think it's in into eyenzeka ingesikhathi kuphuma ikhula ne the first song ekuyiyona eyahitha yaba viral too much yabo. So ukuhitha kwekhula kwangena icall mengena icall iqhamuka from kuSlowman yabo. So ngingasho ukuthi uSlowman verse yena wasifaka direction because even ama music video wayishootela uSlowman.
Because uSlowman ngimazi ku music video. Okay, go on.
Even noma kuthiwa asikhokhile imali ephelele or something but ubesenzela iqiniso ethi ayisintwana zakhe. So sathola icall after ikhula ihitha eTexas yazi la ngino Master KG uthozana eGoli.
Nice.
Sizokhuluma yabo about the song. So uyena wasifile access same time basibhukhela ama flights yonke into sabe sesihamba sesegoli sohlala lapha na open mic so masifika khona bas welcome amnandi yonke into aba grand wathi ayazini njoba sekunje na anizama uthi record noma ingoma ezo5 and keep projects so zenzowazi ukuthi nominate ama awards
nice
so safesa sasebenza phezulu projects saphela even 3 days sayiqeda so amele uthi submit and sa nominate vele
yeah
kwaye khona uthi asithathanga so ngingasho
but nomination
yeah Slowman umuntu wasplug abo ukuthi azithini ayishine ngalawo zani ngala
yo so, yeah. No, that's huge. We are going to talk about you going solo of course, but I'm about to play your song Bello with them boys Dubai. Tell me about this song.
Hey let's angazi singathini ngale ngoma because yangithusa mina indlela enza ngayo vese angifuni so benganayi attention that much ku project yami uthi yona like engakwazi ukuthi i blow up because ngayisenzela yona wasakudlala nje after yabo so sasilale in-nights because ngiqedela project yami so uvuka kwami ekuseni nje ngizwa lo beat awama with impoza sesha ubeat then mina ngishaya empahla Dubai nabo futhi bangayithatha serious bathi awubelo wenzani bese ngicula but yathi siphume siwabantu abantu be receive ngenye indlela yabo thina sisedlalela nje ukuthi just ukuthi sigcwalise project siphume
kanizova nokube hit it's Bello this one with them boys also on the song it's called Dubai. Abe share challenge bayancoma majita no uyashesha ukubanda at some point ukubamba at some point ngaba umdansi now yeah ne if ungakutshela ngidansela abani ngeke uzukhola you can ask me if you want to hayibo ngangidansela u-Elvo Voderanga yeah, no, that's a true story, man. At some point in my life, hanging out with Bello for Backstage Access namhlanje, such a good song. Look, bengilalele ngoma bethu inabo Afrotech nyana yazi. Yeah, it sound yakhona obviously igqomu yalizwa but inobu Afrotech obukhona ayijahile ne it's such a great song. Mfethu, you know Bello Benogalo such a huge brand, you know it's known even outside of South Africa, it's known, you know, it's not globally. Why the decision to go solo?
I think kunokhula wenzala yabo so if it's cooler sometimes kunezinto esibonayo ukuthi I know always zama ukuthi sisebenze as ama solo so eksebenzeni wethu ama solo is because asifuna ukuthi if ugale sengekho uBello asakwazi ukuphusha eyedwa because ukala asekho mhlawumbe asekho emhlabeni into kanjalo mina ngisekho emhlabeni so manje sekuzoba inkinga ukuthi ngiphushe ngingedwa so sadecide ukuthi no first manje asithi ukuthi sizama ukuqinisa ama brand as umuntu awusolo yabo then ke mase kukhona isikhathi sokuthi akuseni siyabuya back then sikwazi ukuthi sibuye back sesinamandla yabo so if ugalo zoshana ama followers mhlawumbe asise awu 500k vele ubele nogalo shanga ngama followers awu 1 million nami la zoshanga ama followers awu 1 million so if sasi add ndawone leyo ama numbers amakhulu
and it works to your advantage. I need you to confirm this because kulama speculations people always say bekhonto efana njengaleso esixatsheni so nobabili nisathelelana amanzi
no sathelelana amanzi kuba ngisho siyakhuluma nobafu yikho nje into ethini
ayikho into ethini
because nawe uyasebenza nje ukusebenza wakho usebenza lapha eStinky nawe uyasebenza kusebenza eAfra
yeah so, that was going to be my next question because I see you doing a lot of stuff with the Afro. Does this mean that you're part of the family?
Yeah, I'm part of the family man.
Okay, all right. Yini ke itesebenza ngaphezulu kwayo manje is it an album what's the story?
Bengenza projects lengikhiphele neDubai so ingoma ezo6 yabo
EP
EP for sure so ngikhiphe yona under Afrotainment
nice
so I think le projects iveza ubumini ukuthi okay nangu uBello music onje wenziwa uBello so ngizame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngiveze lokho ukuthi hayi nangu uBello yabo nanga indlela emphusha ngangiyiveza ukuthi hayi nangu uBello yabo ukuze abantu bezoyithatha lento ukuthi ngusolo and ngiyaphusha yabo on the other side ngusolo and ngiyaphusha bengazi ngingedwa bephinde bengazi ngubelo nogalo because very brand abelo nogalo is strong enough,
very strong, very
so
strong.
nami ngizama ukuthi ngifike kulelo zwe ukuthi ibe strong ibrand ami bengazi abantu ukuthi ubelo nangu first mambezi ingoma besho ukuthi ubelo la first yabo.
Anything that you are thinking of outside music, because enye into esenginoticile ngawe is that you are someone that takes a really good care of themselves, like when you're on stage, you know, apart from making sure that you give us the best performance, but even if you know, it shows what you take time ekuthenini ukhethe ukuthi ngizogqoka ini ngihlanganise nani, even ijewelry efakayo, the glasses, you know, isigqoko osifanayo osifakayo. Does this mean ukuthi mhlambe akhona ama plan into branching out entweni zokugqoka into efana njengalezo?
Yeah, for sure. Leyo nto bengicabanga, but ngendlela esekwenze ngayo kwaqhamuka iDubai blow up, so angisasithola isikhathi esiningi sokuthi ngifocus kwezinye izinto kanti bese ngiwenzile ama plans vele ukuthi okay. Since ngingumusic kanje, so ngicabanga ukuvula ishop yama sunglasses ibuko yabo. So ngibe nesitolo sezibuko nje la ama artists azothenga khona ibuko, if udinga ibuko nje enibuko ehluahlukene yabo. So bengicabanga into kanjalo, but because of ilentuzana I'm sure ngilapha sengaqala uzivula next year.
It's cut.
Sure.
No, my brother, thank you so much for this cut sako, man. And the interest of time, and top 40 now I understand, but I truly appreciate this cut sako. Ufigela uzoxoxa nathi about your solo journey. Obviously we are wishing you all the best, and we cannot wait to see you performing as Ubelo, you know, on stage. Konzo sitshengisa ukuthi usiphatheleni. Singakuthola phi on social media, and what can we expect? Are there any shows lined up?
Go Instagram ngubelo B, ubelo_B,
Showcase.
Then go TikTok ngubelo_B, then go Facebook the Real Belo SA. So ngangifollow lapho ucheck ukuthi umsebenzi wami kanjani. Then kubusy man namhlanje ngele this meet, then mase ngiyabuya ngishaya views la eThekwini.
Nice.
So abantu benze shows ba pull up if bengawazi ukupull up. Ngikhipha music video weyena wengoma engifeaturishe yona uQ na DJ Lucem, DJ wami,
Showcase.
then uDameni masubuma aphula. So uphuma izolo music video under Afro Cement ku YouTube, so make sure ukuthi okay chapa ku TV maduzane zobusudlala.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Brav, all the best, ne?
Thank you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Kakasa FM.
Showcased.